If you ever feel like you're caught in a cycle of habits that hold you back, making you weak and unfulfilled, then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll uncover the 7 habits that weaken you and how to eliminate them from your life immediately. Be sure to watch till the end, because the insights we'll reveal could transform your life. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a young man adrift in life. No compass, no map, just drifting through each day without purpose or direction. Despite his lack of motivation, he couldn't shake the nagging feeling that something vital was missing. Then, one fateful day, he encountered a wise old sage, a beacon of wisdom in a sea of uncertainty. The sage shared invaluable insights on finding meaning and fulfillment in life. He explained how too many people lose their way, drowning in the daily grind of work and obligations, neglecting their own aspirations and desires. The sage urged the young man to set clear goals, to carve out a path and pursue it with unwavering determination. Setting goals isn't just about achieving them, the sage emphasized. It's about finding purpose, building self-esteem, and unlocking the doors to happiness and success. But alas, the young man brushed off the sage's counsel, believing that life was all about fleeting pleasures and carefree enjoyment. Yet, as time marched on, he found himself grappling with a gnawing sense of emptiness, a void that no amount of superficial indulgence could fill. It wasn't long before the young man realized his folly. He saw others forging ahead, achieving greatness, while he remained stuck in a cycle of aimlessness and dissatisfaction. The sage's words echoed in his mind, urging him to heed the call to action. And so, with newfound resolve, the young man set out to change his fate. He cast aside the distractions, honed his focus, and began setting ambitious goals. With each milestone reached, his confidence soared, and the shadows of doubt began to fade. But this tale is not unique. In today's fast-paced world, many men find themselves adrift, searching for purpose amidst the chaos. They succumb to procrastination, fear of failure, and the siren call of social media, losing touch with their true selves in the process. But fear not, for there is hope. By identifying and eliminating the 7 habits that weaken you, you can reclaim your sense of purpose and chart a course toward fulfillment. The habits we need to eliminate are: 1. Procrastination, delaying actions that matter. 2. Fear of failure, letting fear stop you from trying. 3. Negative self-talk, constantly doubting yourself. 4. Lack of discipline, not sticking to your commitments. 5. Social media, overuse, wasting time online. 6. Poor time management, failing to prioritize tasks. 7. Avoiding challenges, staying in your comfort zone. By cultivating good habits like goal setting, mindfulness, and resilience, you can reclaim your sense of purpose and chart a course towards fulfillment. Setting clear goals provides direction, while mindfulness fosters presence and authenticity. And resilience? Well, that's the secret sauce. The ability to bounce back from setbacks stronger and more determined than before. But don't just take my word for it. Take action. Embrace the journey of personal growth and transformation. And remember, the power to change your life lies within you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more transformative content. Your support means a lot, and it motivates us to create more amazing content for you all. Share your experiences and insights in the comments and let us know how this video has resonated with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.